And in today's video, I'm going to show you how I'm going to transplant these densely sown tomato seedlings and put these into the 3.5-inch shuttle pots. I'm actually growing these. I'm doing a program next month at the hospital, and these are going to be some of the giveaways. The plants that we've got here, these are some of those micro tomatoes, and these are, believe it or not, these are about 28 days old. I'd have to go check on that because, you know, I didn't put a tag in it. But look how small these are. These micro tomatoes, they just what the name says. They are just a small, naturally growing tomato plant, which is fantastic for space savings and in patios and small garden situations. And now what we need to do is, let me do this. I already have a set of pots already filled, and this is that Miracle Grow moisture control mix. I actually kind of like this. There's some little chunky things in it that are easy to pick out, but grows plants pretty good. Now what we have to do is we have to take the get the tomato plugs or the tomato seedlings out of the 6-pack, and this is that 6-pack from Bootstrap Farmer that has the hole on the bottom that I used and poked my finger up through there. And we have the plug of tomatoes here. Now looking at this, that one's kind of bad, so we'll get rid of that. But there are 4 tomato plants in here, tomato seedlings in here. And what we're going to do is basically just come in and just kind of gently tease and wiggle, and maybe I have to give them some help with my hands, and you end up with a little tomato plant like that. You know, you might think, well, isn't that kind of hard on the roots? Well, not actually, because this mix is a little dry, and it makes it pretty easy to separate these plants out. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that little seedling, and I'm going to lay it on the pot like that. Now this is a trick that we picked up from Joe Lample, where lay it on the pot. So instead of dibbling a hole with your finger, what you can do is put your finger kind of at that stem and root interface and just do this to it and push it in. Pretty darn easy, and it doesn't hurt the roots at all, one iota. They work very well, and you end up, you know, there's another look at a seedling. You end up with actually planting these probably a little deeper than you normally would, and we know tomatoes will root all up and down that stem as they start growing. And see, that came apart pretty easily. Now I went ahead and dibbled because I'm so used to doing that on so many other of the plants that I do. I don't do this push method with everything, but just lay that on there and just kind of push it in. I mean, how easy is that? Now I've got a bunch more to do. I'm just going to go ahead and start working on this, and hey, we'll talk when I get done. And you may be wondering why I have so many of these shuttle pot. Oops. So many of these shuttle pots. Well, I like these, and so I wanted to go ahead and buy some, so I just didn't have to scrounge pots from people. And so I went ahead and I bought a case. Now a case has 1,800 of these pots. I've still probably got 900 of them because these are the pots I use that I give away. I don't give away the good Bootstrap Farmer pots. Now I'll tell you one question that I do get sometimes is, You know, sowing these tomatoes in the in this dense planting, and then having to go ahead and kind of pot these up again. Wouldn't it be easier if we just took the seeds and just sowed the seeds right into these pots? Well, probably could do that if you have enough space. I don't have enough space to start off with 4 or 5 of these trays on my germination rack. That'd take up my whole germination rack, and I'm growing other things too. Yeah, let's see. I think I can go one more tray here. Now, yay, I'm done. That was pretty darn easy, don't you think? If you got any questions on more process on this, you can always shoot me an email, gary@gary-grows.com. You can shoot me messages on Facebook, Gary Grows at Heritage Cottage. You can hit me up on TikTok, on Instagram, and of course you're watching this on YouTube. You can do it that way. I'll put the links all at the bottom of this video, and that's about it. We'll take a look at them before I go for my talk at the hospital and see how big they got. That's in about 3 weeks, so these should be some really nice plants. If you're growing in real conditions and want better results, subscribe and grow along with me.